Looking for a faster and more accurate way to measure anything at home or on the job? In this video, we're counting down the top 8 digital tape measures on Amazon, with options for every budget and type of user. Stick around to see which one fits your needs best, and check the links in the description for updated prices and details. Starting off the list at number 8, we have the Recon T1M, and this is one of those tools that instantly feels smarter the moment you use it. Instead of squinting at tiny measurement marks or trying to remember numbers while cutting material, the digital display gives you a clear real-time reading right on top of the tape. That might sound simple, but if you're working on woodworking projects, remodeling jobs, or even quick DIY tasks around the house, it makes the whole process feel faster and way less frustrating. One thing people really like about this model is how rugged it feels in the hand. It doesn't come across like a fragile gadget pretending to be a tape measure. It still works like a traditional tape, but with just enough tech to make everyday measuring more accurate and convenient. The price is definitely higher than a basic tape measure, but for people constantly measuring and cutting materials, the added precision and time savings make a noticeable difference. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Coming in at number 7, the Preciso digital tape measure feels like it was designed for people who want modern convenience without overcomplicating the job. It keeps the familiar feel of a regular tape measure, but the digital screen makes reading measurements much quicker, especially in darker spaces or awkward angles where tiny markings are hard to see. One feature that really stands out here is the rechargeable battery. Instead of constantly swapping batteries, you can just plug it in with USB-C, which honestly makes it feel much more practical for daily use. It's also compact and lightweight, so it doesn't become annoying to carry around during long projects. This is a solid choice for DIY users, home renovators, or anyone measuring frequently and wanting fewer mistakes. It may not have the ultra-premium construction of more expensive models, but for the price, it delivers a really balanced mix of convenience, accuracy, and ease of use. At number 6, the Fantic A10 Pro takes a slightly different approach compared to traditional digital tape measures, and that's exactly why some people are going to love it. This thing feels more like a compact smart measuring gadget than a standard tape measure, combining a mini retractable tape with laser measuring capabilities in one sleek device. For people working in interior design, apartment renovations, furniture layouts, or even content creation setups, it can save a surprising amount of time. Instead of stretching a bulky tape across an entire room, you can quickly grab measurements with the laser and move on. The display is bright, clean, and easy to navigate, which makes the whole experience feel modern without becoming confusing. It's definitely more tech-focused than rugged job site-focused, so hardcore construction users may still prefer a heavier-duty option. But for portability, convenience, and quick accurate measurements around the home or office, this one feels incredibly practical. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. In 5th place, we've got this digital tape measure is a really interesting option for buyers who care more about readability and smart features than flashy branding. The oversized display is probably the first thing you notice, and honestly, it makes a huge difference during actual use. Whether you're measuring shelves, planning furniture placement, or working in a garage with low lighting, being able to instantly read the numbers without second-guessing yourself saves time and frustration. Another nice touch is the built-in memory feature, which lets you keep track of measurements instead of writing everything down on random scraps of paper. It also has a rechargeable design, so it feels much more convenient for regular use compared to older digital models that burn through batteries. The overall construction is fairly lightweight, so it's probably better suited for home improvement and DIY projects than rough construction environments. Still, for casual users wanting accuracy with less hassle, this one offers a surprisingly comfortable everyday experience. Now we've got another entry from Fantic, but this one leans even harder into the smart tool experience. The A10 Apex is built for people who want more than just a digital readout. You're getting laser measuring, leveling assistance, and a compact retractable tape all packed into something small enough to fit comfortably in a pocket. It almost feels like carrying multiple measuring tools at once without the extra bulk. This can be incredibly useful for mounting TVs, setting up shelves, planning room layouts, or handling quick renovation projects where precision matters. The interface is clean and surprisingly intuitive, so even if you're not super tech-savvy, it doesn't take long to get comfortable using it. What really makes this one stand out is how portable and efficient it feels during real-world use. It's probably not designed for heavy-duty construction abuse, But for homeowners, creators, installers, and DIY users who appreciate smart features, this is easily one of the most versatile options on the list. At number 3, the Hoto Smart Laser Measure goes in a completely different direction from the classic bulky tape measure design, and honestly, that's part of the appeal. It's incredibly minimal, lightweight, and simple to carry around, almost like a gadget you'd expect from a modern tech brand instead of a traditional tool company. But once you start using it, you realize how convenient it actually is for everyday measuring tasks. The laser measurement is quick, accurate, and especially useful for apartments, offices, furniture planning, or decorating projects where stretching a physical tape across a room becomes annoying. One underrated feature is the Bluetooth connectivity, which lets you save measurements directly to your phone for later reference. That's surprisingly helpful when you're juggling multiple dimensions during renovations or shopping for furniture. It's definitely not intended for rough construction work or heavy outdoor use, but for homeowners, designers, and casual DIY users who value portability and clean design, this feels modern in the best way possible. Sliding into the number 2 spot, the Lexivon Laser Tape Measure does a really good job balancing traditional durability with modern measuring technology. Unlike some compact smart models that feel more like gadgets, this one still has that rugged tape measure feel people in construction or workshop environments usually prefer. But at the same time, the built-in laser measurement adds a huge layer of convenience when dealing with larger spaces. Instead of dragging a tape across an entire room by yourself, you can quickly get accurate long-distance measurements in seconds. The display is bright, easy to read, and even shows fractions clearly, which is something a lot of DIY users and carpenters will appreciate immediately. It's especially useful for renovations, flooring projects, framing, or furniture installations where speed and precision matter equally. The body is definitely bulkier than minimalist laser tools, but that added toughness is part of why this model feels more reliable for demanding everyday work compared to some lighter consumer-focused options. Taking the first position, the Bosch Blaze Laser Measure is the kind of tool that feels built for serious accuracy and everyday reliability. Bosch has a strong reputation when it comes to professional-grade tools, and this model definitely carries that same dependable feel. What makes it stand out is how fast and effortless measuring becomes, especially in larger spaces where a traditional tape measure can turn into a hassle. Whether you're estimating room dimensions, planning renovations, installing cabinets, or working on flooring projects, the laser system delivers quick readings with impressive precision. The backlit display is also a big plus because it stays easy to read even in darker work areas. Another thing people appreciate is the simple button layout. It doesn't overload you with confusing menus or unnecessary features. It just works. While it's more laser-focused than traditional tape-focused, that streamlined approach is exactly why so many contractors, installers, and advanced DIY users end up relying on tools like this every single day.